RPAY. QNRNET. NBTSTK. ARAB. QNRX. NCMI. WPRT. ETNB.
All right, the market up today, huh?
WW.
Up, down, up, down, up, down.
ARABMDA.
The ULM matrix reported a loss of $1.45.
Down 4. HCP. IDYA. VNO. LRSRMED. ARBLB. ARAB. FTCI. HPOL. CMRS.
Everything up and down.
Sumo.
It's crazy, guy. Buy the dip, sell the rip. All right, good morning, anybody.
BNTR.
Let's see what's going on.
KNDI. PRTRT.
Okay, Bitcoin going up.
PR. GBP. SES.
QQQ down. Nothing special, just oversold. That caught bound, that's it.
STEM. NKLA.
CELU Cellularity presents
CFC. BMA.
on CYNK 101
NKLA.
genetically modified killer cell therapy candidate.
DBIRAA.
Meeting.
Let's see what's going on.
RDFN. PACB. Me. VXRTGCHICCM. RDFN. RDFN. WRPAY. Me.
So right, automatic.
KNDI. ABERA. ARCKLA. XLDLDP. QNRX. QNRX. LYLT. DPRO. STBFY.
Let the market go down. You should react the market. Never guessing game.
FAMI.
You don't need to do guessing game, guy.
QNRX.
Amazon going up.
ORMP.
Everything going up.
KALBIAUX.
Let's see what you want to do. MAZN.
CMRX.
See, you just scoop it in, that's it. You don't know what's going on. Just when you look at the chart, just scoop in.
UPSRT.
Like this.
Frey.
I think the CPI doing good or something.
UPST.
So everything going up, and then you short again.
UPST.
The market not go away.
UPST.
The market going down anyway.
GTR. RRGB.
Look at it.
GW.
So everything go down. Look, go down $5. See,
NKLA.
that's a lot of money.
NKLA.
QQ go down $7. That's a lot. See, up and down. Yesterday we trade. I trade here 58, 56, 57. I get in. I sell 58. So all the way to 61. See.
UPST. CDNA. PBI. OSTKLA. PRQR.
Watch out by the deep today.
UPST, Fray.
Everything go down.
ASRT. EXPMN ASRT, BWB, BWB. TTITLYEL.
I gotta short the market tomorrow again.
RRGB.
I got to short the market again, guy.
BBBY, BLCN, GDRX, CRTD. NBTA. EPIX. ME, SILB. JMIA. VEB.
SO.
IBIO, OSTK, FTAI.
SOSL. Semiconductor.
EXK, CRX.
Look at semiconductor pop off right now.
HKD, VLRS. TRTSC, XERS, HCHSAN, QNRX, PRTS. UPSILCGFGFB. Me, QNRX, OLPX. ASAN. QNRX, Kirk. QNRX, KPLT, me. Coos. CEAD. LPSN, me, CPSH. EXK. CEAD, CEAD, OSTK.
Announcing proposed public offering.
CLBR, ARAB. ENSC, UPST, FTCI, NBX, HLGN, BLDP, Kirk. DDD. XM, FTCI, QSI, GURBN, UPSTLT.
CIBC, Civic Health announcing manufacturing partnership with Micro
CPSH, SSDJFJUPW.
Charlie.
CVNATW, Kirk. 80, HCAT, UPST, EDA, Coos. ASAN. 3, PAS. ML.
Hey guys, good morning. Happy Thursday. What's going on, guys? Everyone's talking about these CPI numbers. It's making everything fly across the board. So, you know, it might be a good reminder today to give yourself a couple of extra slaps here to not get FOMO, because for me personally, it had been pretty silent this week. You know, not a lot of trades. I was also sick. I kind of feel it tingling around my fingers right now. You know, I want to be in a trade right here because I see a lot of stuff flying, so I have to remind myself, dude, take a step back. Make sure to stick to the plan and see if anything sets up according to the playbook. And again, lots of stuff is flying here. Before I get into the watch list, I would like to ask everyone to hit the like button, guys. Help us out. Let's grow this channel. It is the best channel out there. It is the first channel that started the Trade Ideas scanner here with the stream and whatnot. So don't be shy, guys. Hit the like button.
Announcing delivery of Ultramax Drive.
Let me pull up the chart here. So there's Mac from yesterday. I think a lot of people were watching this. And again, this is the state of the market that we have been in for the past couple of weeks, months. You know, you get a nice percentage gapper, and it doesn't do much. It just gets pretty much stuck in range, you know, so you have to be aware. I was, you know, discussing this in the private Discord room. I mentioned, you know, I don't see a short setup for me in it just because it's a 200% gapper. You know, I want to see that secondary lag, maybe into 50 bucks or so, and from there, I would like to see a short setup. That never happened, so I stayed on the sidelines and basically didn't do much. Again, the CPI numbers came out that made a lot of stuff moving here. I'm sure some of you guys are pulling up the SPY.
DBX.
You know, yeah, despite here pushing into, what is this, almost 390, 380, 7.25s right now.
Fine FSR.
Waiting for the chart to load. No, let's see what the gap here is doing on the daily chart. Thing is, yeah, it's coming up into those levels on the daily chart that we're holding prior as resistance, and if you or at least look into your left, you'll see they were holding as support.
FSR. HLGN.
Or
RRGB.
the chart. There it is. So where it is, creating sevens. So you guys won't get confused. I hate it when I have too much lines here on my chart.
KC. Move. DBGI.
So there we are. I'll leave these trend lines alone. Again, as I've been discussing for the past, half year right now, we're still in a very big downtrend. We're a breakout of these short term downtrends, but we're never able to completely reverse the trend. Pull back, hold with a higher low, create that support, and then break away from that. So that never happened. And here we are again with this gap up here on those CPI numbers, coming up into these levels: resistance, resistance, support, support, resistance again. So we'll see. We still have that psychological 400 ahead of us. I don't know if this file will be able to get towards those levels, but
let me go and get Yang, guy. Look at his spy.
Very happy to hear some buying across the board on
getting Yang.
So just be careful on that. For me personally, it's gonna be difficult to believe this hype. I'm gonna be reacting according to my playbook setups, and that means I see a lot of stuff gapping up here. That means I'm going to be looking for that short opportunity. I'm going to go with Meta here. Now I'm not going to try and guess levels where where they will hit. Of course, Meta still has some room to potentially fill that gap. So that's up in the 125s approximately on the daily. Higher the better here for Meta. I'd love to see this one rip towards 110, 115s, and then hopefully it can provide a good short opportunity for me on this Meta. Yes, I'm feeling much better from the voice, and I'm
let it go all the way up, and I short it.
As I had as I crave some donuts and whatnot, but that's all aside here from the watch list. What else? I see Rivian also popping up. They reported earnings yesterday. Post-market 26.68 on that Rivian, gapping up here into almost 33 bucks. Zooming out, if you look at again at the daily chart, you'll find this name coming up into some daily chart levels, daily chart resistance.
Really?
Let's have a look here. There it is. So, higher the better. Hopefully it can find some resistance, and then a short setup on this Rivian. For now, the trigger as well as stop loss is unknown.
CEO says spending needs doing everything can to raise liquidity, says the
settings. Yesterday I mentioned as well on that BIGGG, they bring back some small caps, but again, we are still in earnings season. So usually for small caps, they tend to sit back and wait until earnings season goes over, and then they take again the spotlight. But for BGI, it's a recent reverse split name. And with that movement, the only thing I can do is hope for this one to hold up and pop higher, so it can spark some fire amongst other recent reverse split names. So we'll just have to keep an eye on those. Right now, I don't have any interest in BBGI. It's nearly 250,000 volume here.
Michael sector
right now. Yesterday, it had
select
a
active
615s approximately. It's not much I can do with it now. So we'll just keep an eye on that.
Keep going down, down, down.
BBGI. Another one I'm short biased on today. We're right now under $51, but again also lines by the way, guys.
DBGI. DBGI, DBGI, UWMC, JDBCM, Beam, Yalla,
That
Yao,
actually was out on
SBEV,
Wednesday. Correct on that.
So also you can see here that extension right now from that VWAP. I want to see this one higher for a setup on that point. So ideally, you know, into 55, if you can see on the daily chart, it might find some resistance there, even into 60 bucks. I don't know if it will happen today, but we'll keep an eye on for sure. So that's Meta, Rivian,
BPT, RGTI, LGFA,
DBGI.
JMIA,
Right, so that's my selection here. I see a lot more stuff running, but
SHPH,
you know, I'm being extra selective, especially in the whole market that we had, meaning, you know, we didn't have, or at least I personally did not have a lot of plays, you know, and what we get right now here with these CPI numbers, that a lot of stuff is moving again. What I try to do is I try to make a selection according to my entry criteria. So that means I need to see volume, I need to see range, and a couple of other more ingredients. But according to those, I make a selection of stocks from all of those stocks that are being showed on the scanner, and I put them on my own watch list, and I keep an eye on them until they do set up. And from there, I will take a trade, of course, if it sets up, and if I get triggered in. Hey, Primo, thank you, buddy.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the stream of If you want to purchase this scanner for yourself so you can customize it to your own preferences, then use the link that we have just under this video to trade ideas. Also make sure to punch in that discount code ARIA15 to get a 15% discount. If you want to get access to the live version of this stream, if you want to get access to the live screen share with the live commentary from our other moderator, if you want to get access to the precision day trading,
all right, let's see the market open. 2 minutes.
Daytrading.com, which is also posted just under the description, guys. In our chat room, you'll get access again to the live share, the live commentary, the alerts, our guidance and mentorship. If you need that, of course, for just 35 bucks a month. So make sure to use the link PrecisionDayTrading.com. Don't forget to hit the like button as well, guys.
TWO, IGT, Kirk, PTON, RDS, PTON,
Come on.
BNET, BRMK, SAM.
All right, guys. If you got any questions, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to hit the like button, guys. Let's get as many likes as we can on the channel.
I think the market's slow today. Only a couple of big cap moving up. That's all.
The live commentary, the alerts, our guidance and mentorship. Use the link PrecisionDayTrading.com. That's only 35 bucks a month to access.
Market open.
And of course, good luck.
1 minute.
Again, be patient, be safe, guys. Don't get into that FOMO feeling. If you do, make sure to give yourself a good slap on the wrist. Go wash your hands and come back refreshed.
CHPT, BBS, HZIP, TDCITFSM, CDLX, New, ACHR, PLAB, Nova, Unit, RDFN, IRNT,
Open.
U,
VWAP moving.
RENEXA, SYBHRFSLYCRO, CDLRGS, ACHR, DDD, SHICRDTN, MAC,
Let the market run.
Again, guys, you do need an edge in this market, like it has been shared earlier by Tim in the private Discord, if you were following that convo. If you know what your edge are, it will be a little bit easier for you guys to bring up the patience and sit tight until something sets up.
RPADS Sumo TCRT ADAP
Right.
CLBR
Let's see here, almost into the final minute here before the opening bell, guys.
CHPSM
Let's get ready.
GGHHPT PHUN CERT
1 minute to the U.S. market open.
HCCURGN Nova RPAY GLBRFS
Come on, Hudi. Hudi moving.
Sumo BBBY AXGNBAOUT Seal
Come on, Hudi. Keep going, Hudi. You need to go all the way up here, huh?
RPAY PMCBD Oust
I got in, Hudi. 960.
FUBRSEAMT SSTOBX AMKR
Health-related quality of life that Juliet
BCRX CCRX DME BNG6
There's the bell, guys.
Computer frozen. Snap, snap, snap. Whoa.
LABLH OTLYLH LABU RDFHUDI FCELTLY OTLY
Back on that meta, right into the VWAP.
JBLU
See here what it does. Also Coinbase right now under 51.
AGNC APYX
Pump it down, pump it down. Candle.
Ripping here, 37.49. Very low volume still. 30K there.
Look at candle.
Bind bind
Meta right now dropping under that VWAP. Yeah, appreciate it, Richard. Things are much better. So look here, I want to see if the retest on the VWAP on Meta for a short.
Nova, HIMX.
First, let's see if we can get that. I'm not going to short right away here.
CVNA, CVNA, RKLB,
There's a Apple spiking here, up 142.12 at the highs on Apple.
CVNA, TMF, GRWG, GRWG, TME, CUK, WETG, TME, CUK, CCLPST, RDFN, RTLM, TMF, CCL, RSKD, 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 TME, FN, CPNG, RDFN, CPNG, UPST, UPSTFN, RKLB, CPNG, TME, CPNG, FTCH, 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 CPNG, SBSW, FTCH, TMF, RKLB,
See, Bitcoin start to go down again, guys. BT.
FTCH, YMM, RKLBC, RKLBC, RKLTMF, TMF, KWMF, RKLWEB,
Slowing economy from local context.
GT, KWH, Billy, KWEB, KWEB, Gold, Billy, AVCT,
I got nowhere.
AVCT.
All right, again, not doing much here, just watching here the action on that Meta. It's under that VWAP right now, so that's good. See if we can get some more marination. $105.89 there on Meta.
UMC, ADMA,
The short Meta.
APYF,
So the heck out Meta. That's it.
TMF, find, ADMA, TMF, IGMS, find, RKLB, IGMS, find, RKLB, PBS, RKLB, find, MBI, FCEL, find, LB,
Obi.
MSGM, ADMA, FTML, ADMA,
So look at that, good, very nice short meta.
MBIAL, TMF, ADMA, KLBS, RKLB, APS, COM, TMS, TMS, apps, RKLB, CLI, SKLPST,
BWV. Meta, see, short meta, perfect.
APRN, EVLV, EVLV, apps, CCLI, apps, FCEL, RKLB, JET, plug, TNL, PST, UPST, plug, RITM, plug, Eric, FCEL, Eric.
Look, I told you guys, buy SQQ right there. Curve up right there.
Plug. BCLI, plug, B, IGMS, plug, TGTX, BLD,
Come on, Hudi, need to break $10.
FCEL, BCLI, UBS.
Dallas Logan says CPI inflation data is a welcome relief, but it's still a long way to go. She says that she believes it may soon be appropriate to slow the pace of rate increases so the Fed can better assess how financial and
Come on, Hudi, you can break $10, can you? Let's see.
TGTX.
He's up $1 today.
TGTX.
Come on, 10.
Tim, if you caught that
Sheesh.
meta, nice job, buddy. It's under 105 here. Can't find a proper entry here. So I'm just waiting for something to come along. SPY also dropping. Here, yeah, coin also under 50 bucks right now.
APRN.
Everything can happen.
What's going on?
Hudi.
Tossed.
CAE shares trading up now about
It looked good right here.
0.25% following their earnings report this morning. Charlie Alpha Echo, $19.95 just off the high.
It looked good right here. The volume pick up, short squeeze.
BCLI, AKTX,
Russia to deport citizen Sarah
FCEL,
Krivenek to the U.S.
FCEL,
There's a buyer step in.
BCLI,
Come on, buyer step in. Hudi.
UMC, kind,
Yep.
UMC, kind,
Meta right now bouncing up from that lows under that 105, coming up almost into VWAP there, 106. Coinbase still bounceless actually.
Hudi, pull back. Hudi, pull back, pull back, pull back. See? That's a volatile guy. Crazy. Hate the way you go.
Coming up at 10:30, natural gas storage.
Pretty strong there on that Meta, 106.
kind,
Is that Hudi?
kind,
HUDI back into VWAP. Be careful.
Pfizer and BioNTech received positive CHMP
KRMD,
opinion for Omicron
SFIX,
adapted
HUDI,
to 11 years in the EU. That's Bravo November Tango X-ray and Papa Foxtrot Echo.
And Spies pushing also back up there,
KRMD.
387.
kind, peak, peak, fine, peak, fine, kind, BCLI, FLYW, FLYW, BCLI, find, HUDI, find,
He's so volatile. Look at it. Up, down, crazy.
FCE,
Red hot
FCE.
trade.
Do you see anything out there, guys? Going through the names, I don't see much. Yeah, a lot of stuff went up and down, but
kind,
that's all it is for me. Don't see a clear trend in it.
Yep.
CEL,
Everything crazy.
President Biden says CPI data shows that
So as I mentioned, you know, just sitting tight, waiting for something to come along.
Get inflation back to normal levels.
AI,
And you could see it
BCLI,
setbacks along the way.
find, FCEL, SMIG,
Come on.
find, FCEL, MPLN, KRMD, MMX, CCL, CEDN, find, CVNA, CVNA,
Ooh, BYNG. Anyone remember that name? I think the last time I touched this name, it wasn't in the $300 level. Right now it's at 1430. That's the high day.
Oh man, look at it. Wow. Look at jump like, oh man, look at it.
106.45 on Meta, and coin also pushing back up into that 50 level.
Biden says
Slide there.
Oh man, too volatile.
Rivian, 33 bucks there.
Any effort to undo my agenda or make inflation worse?
So yeah, just waiting for something. It's a lot of up and down movement again. So if you're a scalper, I think this is a good market for you.
Crazy. Nope. This kind of market don't trade too much, guys.
Intraday day, or at least intraday trend trader. Just have to wait for something to come along and give
This is
you
a crazy market,
direction of
okay?
the trend which way it wants to go. That's why I always say let the stock
Sit here and relax,
decide for me
see what
which way it
happens.
wants to go, and all I can do is, all I can do is, or at least all I can control is my entry and exit.
Yep. That's all you can
All
control.
I can do.
Get in and get out, that's all.
And of course, we don't
We learn a lot.
gamble with
The market can do anything.
retirement account.
Don't care.
Don't worry about that, guys.
You did only one way you can do it, in and out.
CLI. Let's have a look, Mike.
In and out.
What's the story? What's the story? That looks like a nasty gap down. I'm just waiting for the news to load here and see what's going on there. So, yeah. So, Brain Cell Therapeutics shares drop after FDA approval for ALS application.
So when you look at the chart, you know it's not going higher, and then you think it's go higher. So that's the problem. So you have to learn. Waiting, nothing happened yet. Look at it, it's choppy, up, down, up, down. Oh man. Very hard to trade.
Buster is looking at AFRM.
Come on, break hold $10. Cannot hold 10. Tapping $10 right there.
AFRM, Buster.
SFIX,
You see a little pop there, but and there's also a little gap there into 15 bucks on the daily chart.
NABL, Joby, CENN, MGNI, AMC,
Okay, 30 minutes. 2 days. Okay, 2 days, guys. Look at this one. Go nowhere.
3,900 mark at the high.
Annoying. Look at this. See? What the F is this?
Yep. So there's a gap there, a psychological level as well, Buster. But yeah, it's straight up here. Looks like a V. I know some traders call this, or at least like to trade a pattern that's called the V pattern. This clearly looks like a V to me, but I can't trade this. I'd rather see a pullback, some sideways action, a higher low, and then the breakout. I would not personally chase this here towards the upside. And you could see, 50 bucks. If you aim towards that, it's like 50 cents away right now.
It's the same thing.
It's all about probability and edge, as I said earlier, but again,
Same thing, look at it. All the way down, huh? See? $40 all the way down. See? How can you trade like this, guy?
FTCI, ASTR.
This is a gamble.
AI, real.
FTX Japan ordered by regulator to suspend trading
ASTR, SDC,
on a withdrawal
apps,
that
CLNK,
apps,
apps, AI, apps, ASTR.
Again in Ethereum yesterday, 1180, right now 13.
CUK, BLNK, CCL,
107s on Meta.
GNI.
Looks like Zuckerberg just turned on the jetpacks again.
UMC, ASTR.
Right, living large. Congrats on Rivian. It is bouncing, so be aware, you know, a lot of names are also bouncing across the board as the market just hit new high days here. 388, 69. Nice job, John, on the spy calls there in the private Discord room.
FE, SHCRD, MS.
Choppy. Look like DVAT try to move. Look at DVAT.
Want to get access to the precision day trading Discord room, daytrading.com, which is also posted just under the description, guys. In our chat room, you'll get access to the live screen share, the live commentary, the alerts, our guidance and mentorship. If you need that, of course, for just $35 a month. So make sure to use the link as well, guys.
CPNG. BMBL, AFRM, CPNG, BMBL, OTLY, BMBL, AFRM, OTLY, BMBL, PLRX, TGTX, BMBL, BMBL, FSLY, BMBL, apps. Billy, CPNG, CPNG, ACHR, apps, CPNG, WKHS, MLCO, CPNG, CPNGDX, CPNG,
I don't want to trade this kind of market, okay?
CPNG,
not feeling good.
CPNG, IQ, RCM, IQ, WKHS, MHLD, CLI, apps, IQ, IONQ, apps, SRNE CPNG CFLT BCLI VXRT plug TIGR plug
S&P futures up more than 4% now at the high, 39.08.
BMBL FAQ plug ESEC
Look at Hudi.
LMNT
All the way up, all the way down. Oh man, very hard to trade Hudi. Look at that. All the way up, all the way down. Hold it.
MGNI
at the Quest Education shares
Feel the gap? Boom again.
PRTS LMNTIGR MRBI IONQ IONRBI LMNT BLNK apps IONGFE PETQ apps AZEK PRTS BGO DDZEK
MULN, Bollinger Motors announcing our next energy as battery supplier for
KGFLYW
trucks. Bollinger, our next energy to supply modular
AGI
linkable Aries battery packs to power its all-electric commercial platforms.
RPAY
And chassis cabs.
ARDX
Might be uniformly in November.
ARDX Wish
Bollinger, a
ARDX PNG WEBL CPNG Use
That's micro uniformly in November.
NWS Use GEVO NWS SEN HUDI VLTA Use
It's hard.
WEBL SNDL
Alaska Air Cargo selects Boeing to convert to passenger aircraft Bravo Alpha.
RETL Use CPNG SENS CPNG RETL LYSGGRETL BDX LYTGARTLYCPNG CPNG
Beetle.
RETL ARKF TGTGTN TARC BMBL IONQ WEBL GT Kritia RETL LYFT Kritia Real RETL Real GRPS CPNG Billy ARKF ARKF BHG UWMCRPAY S BAGHG BAGHG BAI RGTI WKHS BHG AI BMBL RPAY AI RPAY Fax RPAY PRTY RPAY RPAY STLA BMBL RPAY RPAY BMBL
Look at Hudi, guys. Look at Hudi.
EMLC
Fucking shit. Look at Hudi. Up, down, up, down.
BMBL EBIX WRBY BMBL EBIX WRBY BMBL BMLC FCEL BMBL WRBY
How can you trade like this?
BMBL
How?
FCEL WRBY SHCR WRBY
How can you trade like that, guy? Fucking shit.
EXPI DDD SPGS WRBL EXPI
Right now, not even break $9.
WRBY SHCR NCLH NCLH SDCLS HUDI
When it go down, very hard to break 9.
EXMTLS EXPI CGC SNDUMCDD
HUDI, Wadi Group, Wadi
SS
International,
BLTA Shoals Arlo
Right now, 920 resistant.
RGTI Arlo FTCI Arlo
gone up more than 10%, around $95.
EMLC EMLC UMC Real UMC EMLC Shoals EXPI Real BVS FTCI Real VLTA BBS JMION PMBL BBS FTCI BION FTCI JMIA BMARTLS QINBZ IONRKS QINBZFAI UMC JMIA ALCM LC DLCL LC CWK DFAI Beto SABR RKTLS Beto CWMX, CWK, RETL, FSRG, CWBHG, YO,
Alright, that's it, guys.
LLC, AMC,
Market is suck.
EMLC, DFAI,
I'm out here.
EBIX,
Cannot sit here.
EBIX,
Do nothing.
FSM, AMC, BAGHG, AMC, EMLC, FSM, AMC, EBIX.